Okay, today is March 29, year 2025. It's already 2:40 p.m. Because I have to go now. We just came from camping yesterday. And there, bring a 2-troller, airplane, boat, helicopter, tent, everything nandyan na. Let me see how I look like. Ay, oo nga, no? Ako, delikado pala to. Dapat. Anyway, okay, let's try it. Wala. Anyway, very slow na naman ako eh. Ay, very slow. Yeah, how I look slow. Okay, see you then for our next camp. Pwede pala. I can
i-post
bring
mo ito
everything.
I-post mo Ang
Stop
ganda
muna,
ng
stop.
document.